Hey, it's Rob Brown, and it's 3 days out to the February open house here at Clark Marine, and we got all kinds of stuff going on. We actually cracked out the palm trees today that I promised you. We've got that going, and we've started to develop a pile of things that we're going to be selling at 60% off to go along with our 60-year anniversary this year. We've got a lot of kids' life jackets. We've got dock lines, all kinds of stuff. You come down and see us, you never know what we might have. The one big thing that we're doing also is you come down and buy a boat this weekend, and we'll give you a $500 certificate toward your fall services, and it could go to a full service package or just shrink wrap, winterization, whatever you like in the fall. Twist my arm a little bit, we might make it $600 just to go along with our 60-year celebration. Hey, it's Rob Brown, we're pitching it. We're three, that's three, right? 3 days. We're 3 days out to the February open house. Would love to see you come down and enjoy food, all kinds of fun stuff, lots of smiling faces. Enjoy a little bit of summer.